guys, my name is Bella and welcome to your first lesson in A1 German. I hope you're ready to have fun. I hope you're ready to learn, and I hope you are as excited as I am. Are you? Okay, let's crack on then. Today's topic is the alphabet. I know, guys, it's not the most popular one, but let's just start and get over with it, because in the A1 test they will definitely ask you to spell your surname or spell the city you're living in. So let's just get started. And by the way, in the end of the video I will show a short clip about a little conversation going on, so we can remind ourselves on how to introduce ourselves, introducing others, and talk a bit about ourselves. Yeah? You ready? Okay, let's start with our first letter. A. A. A wie Apfel. B. B. B wie Banane. Do you guys see? B, this is how you pronounce it if it's only the letter. And if you use it in a word, it goes to B, banane. You see that? Next one. C. C. C wie in Kaffee. You see again? C as a letter, it is mostly pronounced as K, like Kaffee. D. D wie Deutsch. Deutsch. You see again the D as a letter, but D in a word. D in Deutsch. Next one. E. E. E wie Essen. Essen. F. F. F wie Familie. Familie. You see, again, the F turns into Familie. Yeah? G. G. G wie Geld. Geld. And you can see again, G, Geld, G, Geld. H. H. H wie Hallo. Hallo. The H again turns into H. Hallo. Yeah? Next one. I. I. I wie ich. Ich. J. J. J wie Junge. Junge. And you see, the J turns into J. Junge. K. K. K wie Klasse. Klasse. L. L. L wie Land. Land. And the L turns into L. Land. M wie Mann. Mann. M turns into Mann. N wie Name. Name. N turns into Name. O wie Obst. Obst. I know the quite tricky one here. Next one is P. P wie Preis. Preis. And you see, it turns P into P. Yeah? Next one is Q. Q wie Quiz. Q turns into Q. I know that is really tricky. I'm sorry guys, but you just need to learn it like that. R wie Reis. And you see, R turns into R. Reis. S wie super. And you see again, S turns into super. T wie Tag. T turns into Tag. U wie Urlaub. Who doesn't love holiday once in a while? Next one is V. V wie Vater. V turns into Vater. W wie Wasser. W turns into X wie Xaver. You see guys, X turns into X. Xaver. Y. That's a tricky one. Y wie Yoga. And you see guys, the Y transformed into something completely different. Y transforms into Y. Yoga. And the last one is tset. Tset. Tset wie Zahl. Zahl. And you see guys, Z turns into S, like a snake. Zahl. The next 4 letters don't actually belong to the ABC, but I think it's really important to know about them. They are called umlauts. In Deutsch, Umlaute. Ready? Ä. Ä. Ä wie Ärger. Ärger. Ö. Ö. Ö wie Öko. Öko. Ü. Ü. Ü wie Übermut. Übermut. And the last letter is called das scharfe S. The sharp S actually. And it's called tset. Tset. So guys, are you ready to repeat after me? Okay, let's start. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. And die Umlaute. Ä, Ö, Ü. And let's not forget about the sharp S, das scharfe S. Z. So guys, like I mentioned in the beginning of my video, I have a short clip for you now that gives you an idea of a conversation you might find yourself in your daily life, but definitely in the A1 test. So have a look. Welcome to your first lesson in A1 German. Willkommen zu deiner ersten Lehrstunde in A1 Deutsch. Guten Tag. Mein Name ist Frau Fischer. Wie ist Ihr Name? Mein Name ist Elena Huberto. Schön, Sie kennenzulernen. Nice to meet you. Und woher kommen Sie? Ich komme aus Spanien. I'm from Spain. Und wer ist das? Das ist Herr Mohammed. Er kommt aus dem Irak. Frau Huberto, wo wohnen Sie? Ich wohne in Berlin. Und wo wohnt Herr Muhammad? Er wohnt auch in Berlin. He lives in Berlin too. Und wie ist Ihr Name? Und woher kommen Sie? Mein Name ist Irina Tschirnowa. Ich komme aus Russland. Können Sie mir bitte Ihren Familiennamen buchstabieren? Could you please spell me your surname? Ja. Tschirnova. So guys, I hope you enjoyed your first lesson in A1 German. Did you? Yeah, hopefully. And I have a little homework for you. So why don't you start practicing your alphabet and your spelling by learning how to spell your surname, spelling the city you're living in, or spelling your street name, or any other word you know in German already to practice your alphabet and spelling skills. I can't wait to see you next time. Take care. Bye.